Okay. So Aishwarya ji, arithmetic progression. So for example 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 is a arithmetic progression. Soumya ji, any doubt about arithmetic progression?
No, sir.
Okay. Now what we need to understand is 2-3 new words that we need to understand. So this is the first position, this is the second position, this is the third position, this is the fourth position. So this first position can also be written as first term, first term. This can be written as third term. And the first term can be written as T1 and this can be written as T3. And this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This can be written as T6. Any doubt about this? Sanvi?
No, sir.
Okay. So for example, if I want to know which is the fourth term of this sequence of this arithmetic progression, my T4 would be 25. Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now the only issue is, so for example, if I need to find the 10th sequence, I'm sorry, the 10th term of the sequence, the 10th term of the sequence, or maybe I want to know the 100th term of the sequence. Now, one way is that I will start writing 100 terms, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and it will be very stupid to write 99 terms and then find the 100th term. So we have a shortcut where the formula is, if you can please note down the formula, and I will explain you the meaning of the formula. The formula that has been given to us is, for a AP, the formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, A is the first term, D is the common difference, D is the common difference. Soumya ji, any doubt? Soumya ji, any doubt? Sarvi ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So for example, if I have to find the 100th term, then using this formula, A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus n minus 1 into D. Now when I look at this sequence, my first term, Sanvi ji, is
10.
Shabash. Now I need to find the 100th term. Because I want to find the 100th term, Sanvi ji, my n would be
100.
into D. My D is the common difference. Sanvi ji, my common difference in this sequence is
5.
Shabash. Soumya ji, any doubt? Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So 99
No, sir.
into 5, 10 plus 9 5 the 45, 495, and this will be 505. Sanvi ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So the magic of this formula is that without even writing all the 99 terms and then finding the 100th term, I have a simple formula. I have a simple formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Or if you are not comfortable with this, you can also write Tn is equal to T1 plus n minus 1 into D. This is n minus 1 into D. So this is n minus 1 multiplied by D. Soumya ji, any doubt?
No.
So this is what your textbook is also mentioning, that Tn is equal to T1 plus n minus 1 into D. So the only difference is that I have written T1 as A. So I have written this formula as is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. So we'll do practice questions and we'll understand. Okay. Now there is another thing that they talk about. So for example, if I have to find the 11th term, so Soumya ji, how will I find the 11th term? What would be my T1 in this sequence, Soumya ji?
So our term 1 will be 1, so plus n minus 1t, which is
Abash?
11.
Good.
So 11 minus 1 and bracket t, which is
Any doubt?
no, sir.
Soumya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
We'll do few practice questions so that you are able to do. So I'll write down the formula again. Tn is equal to T1 plus N minus 1 into D. This is a formula. And you need to do question number 1, 3, 9, 6, 8, and 2. You can start now. Just remember that D is T2 minus T1 or it is T3 minus T2. Just remember this simple fact and you can start the questions. Okay, Aishwarya ji, you can start. Soumya ji, first question. What is the general term? Sanvi ji?
So,
Yeah.
my mic wasn't unmuting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for the first question, my answer is 42.
Okay. Have you written the general term also, the nth term? Okay. How
No.
we write the nth term is? Nth term would be any term. So for writing the nth term, what we need to do is, what is my T1 for question number 1? Soumya?
42. Sorry, T1.
T1, yeah.
T1 is 2.
Because it is a nth term, so I do not know what is n. So I'll just write it like n minus 1. And what is the D for first question? What is the D?
2.
Shabash. So for finding the nth term, I'll just simplify this. Have you understood how to do this? This is my Tn. Anybody has a doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So for first question, my Tn is 2n. Now, if you want me to find the T21, I have two options. One option is I'll write Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I will write 2 plus 21 minus 1 into 2. I will write 2 plus 20 into 2. This will be 42. Either I can use this method, or what I can do is I can simply put n is equal to 21 here, and I will find 2 into 21 is equal to 42. Is there any doubt about this or not?
No, sir. No doubt.
I didn't understand. Can you explain it again?
Yeah. Did you understand this? Is this okay?
I didn't get what you have to replace A with.
Okay.
Like over here, you've written A plus n minus 1D. So you replaced it with the first term, right?
Yeah. So basically what I'm doing is, because I'm in the habit of writing A as the first term, so my A is the first term. Any doubt about this? So what I'm trying to tell you is that in this is a formula which is mentioned in your book, but I am in the habit of writing T1 as A, and that is why I write this as A plus n minus 1 into D. Have I clarified your doubt? Aishwarya ji?
Yeah, I got it.
Arey bhai, if you are getting confused, okay. What I'll do is I'll stop writing A. I'll write it
No,
as
I
T1.
got it.
Yeah,
I got what
yeah.
you mean.
So if you're getting confused, I won't write A. I will just write it at Tn is equal to T1 plus n minus 1 into D. Now what I'm trying to tell you is that once you have found the nth term, so for example, in this sequence, once I have found the nth term, this is my nth term. Once I have found my nth term, if I want to find my T21, then to calculate T21, if my Tn is 2n for this sequence, then my T21 would be 2 into 21 is equal to 42. And what I'm trying to tell you is once you have found the nth term, you need not do this again. Have you got it, or should I explain it again? Sanvi ji,
Yes, sir, I got it.
Aishwarya ji,
I got it.
Soumya ji, is there any doubt still?
No, sir.
Okay. Soumya ji, question number 2. How did you find the Tn?
So question number 2, right? So
Yeah.
Tn is equal to 5 plus bracket 11 minus 1 bracket 5, and my answer is 55.
So what is your Tn? Soumya ji, what was your Tn?
As in,
Okay. Tn is the nth term. Tn is the nth term. T11 is when I put n is equal to 11 here, and this will be. Somebody, any doubt? Have you understood the logic?
yeah,
See, nth term is any random term of the sequence. Have you understood the logic? Any random term of the sequence. Aishwarya ji, is it clear?
Yeah.
So, for example, if I want to find, so this is my question number 3. I want to find Tn. So for this, I want to find the Tn. Basically, what Tn means is any random term. So I know the formula is T1 into n minus 1 into D. Now, Soumya, how will I find Tn for this sequence?
so T1 is equal to 5. So T1 plus n minus 1, and difference is 2. So uh, yeah, plus 2n minus.
Is there any doubt still?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sanvi, any doubt?
No, sir.
So Tn is any random term of the sequence. So for example, in this sequence, if they ask me what is any random term, I'll say nth term is 2n plus 3. But if they want to ask me about any particular term, so for example, if they want to ask me about T12, so what will I do? I'll write the value of n is equal to 12 here. Have you guys understood or not? Aishwarya ji, is it clear or not?
Yeah, it is.
So let me repeat again. The nth term Tn is a random term. But for example, in this T16 is a particular term. Have you found the Tn for this sequence, Somaji? Or Aishwarya or Sandvi? Has anybody found the Tn for this question number 6? Somaji, how will I find Tn for question number 6? What is my T1? Yeah, what is my
T1 is -6 and
What
the
is-
difference is 3.
so my Tn would be? Are we clear or still there is a doubt? Are we clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Aishwarya ji, are we clear?
Yeah.
Now, this is a general term. If I want to find T16, what I will do is, I can use this formula. So my T16 would be 3 into 16 minus 9. So it will be 16 3 the 48 minus 9. It will be 39. Now this is the easier way, but if you don't want to use this way, if you want to find T16 like T1 plus n minus 1 into D, but then you will repeating whole of the procedure again, which is not required once you have found the Tn. Am I making any sense or not? The answer would be the same, whatever method you use. Samaji, have you understood? Aishwarya ji, have you understood?
Yeah.
Sanvi ji, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So once I have found the general term, I can use this general term to find a particular term. Now in this question, the particular term that they are asking me to find is T16. So all I do is I put the value of n to be 16 here and I calculate it to be 39. I do not, once I have found the Tn, I need not use this again. But if you want to, you can. But all I'm asking you is that this will be a far easier way. Swamiji, am I making sense? Aishwarya ji, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Swamiji, question number 8. How do I find Tn?
Question number 8, to find the Tn, So our term 1 is minus 4. So minus 4 plus bracket n minus 1.
What is my D?
D is 5. So minus 4 plus 5n minus 5.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
So my Tn is 5n minus 6. Now, this is my general term. If I want to find the particular term, what is my particular term? What are they asking? They are asking me for T12. Is this the answer that you have got? Soumya ji?
Yes.
Or if you say, no, I don't want to use this method, I want to use that same method, Tn is equal to T1 plus n minus 1 into D, you can use that method also. So for example, T12 is equal to T1 plus 12 minus 1 would be 11 and your D would be 5. Your T1 is minus 4 plus 55 and your answer is 51. This 51 is the same as this 51. Sanvi ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Soumya ji, question number 9. How will I find my Tn?
So minus 83 plus bracket n minus 1 bracket close 5, which is equal to 5 minus 83 plus 5n minus 5.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
And now you want to find the T31. Now Tn is equal to 5n minus 88. So T31 would be 5 into 31 minus 88 is equal to 5 155 minus 88, which should be equal to 155 88 7 6 67. So Mary, is it your answer?
Yes.
You will find the same answer if you apply A plus this. Here T1 would be minus 83 plus 30 into 5. This will be minus 83 plus 150. Again, it will be equal to 67. Are we clear or not? Aishwarya ji. Aishwarya ji, are we clear?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Soumya ji, how do I find Tn for question number 5? Sanvi ji?
So should I?
Yeah.
Okay. So 91 plus bracket n minus 1 bracket 10 is equal to 91 plus 10n minus 10, which is equal to 81 plus 10n.
Have you found this? Aishwarya ji, have you found this? Was this your answer?
No.
So what was
I
your answer?
got 101 minus 10n.
Okay, then you maybe you wrote plus here. That is a mistake you did. Because if you have found 101, you would have added 91 and 10. That is why you have got 101.
I got 91 minus 10 minus 10. Like when you do minus 10, that time you add, right?
Have you understood now?
Yeah. Okay.
Sanviji, what is the answer you got?
I got 10n plus 81.
Shabash. So are we clear? How did we find 10n plus 81 for question number 5? Are we clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Swamiji, we have to find T10. T10. Do you see that all I need to do is put n is equal to 10? Swamiji, do you see that or not?
Yes, sir.
So all I need to do is put n is equal to 10 here. So this will be equal to 181. Are we clear about this? Aishwarya ji, okay, your Tn was incorrect. Sanvi, did you find 181 as your answer?
For question 5.
Question 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think we'll have to do more practice about this. Okay, not an issue. So question number 7. Sanvi, how did you find Tn?
Tn will be 21 plus n minus 1 into 6, which will be 21 plus 6n minus 6. So it should be 6n plus 15.
Beta, the first term is 24.
Oh, 1 minute. That was it. So then it'll be 24 plus 6n minus 6. So the answer will be 6n plus 18.
Samay, did you find Tn is equal to 18 plus 6n? Were you able to arrive here?
Yes.
Now, if I have to find T21, all I need to do is put n is equal to Sanvi ji.
And you have to put n is equal to 21.
Samay, have you understood?
Yeah.
One 40.
Aishwarya ji, have you understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So Aishwarya ji, question number 10. How did you find the Tn?
So it was the formula is first term plus n minus 1 and like basically d over there you multiplied by d. So I got minus 6 minus 3 and minus 3. I mean, sorry. Just 1 second. I read the wrong one. So I got minus 9 plus 11 and it's the nth term. And then the answer is 178.
Samay ji, are we clear now?
Yes, sir.
Are we clear now?
Yes, sir.
Sanvi ji, any doubt?
No, sir.